Liddell Lee became the first Arkansas inmate executed in 17 years after the state Supreme Court cleared the way for the use of lethal injection. The court stopped the execution of a second inmate. Arkansas wanted to execute 8 inmates by the end of April when its supply of the drug midazolam, which it uses for lethal injections, expires. The company that makes the drug says Arkansas has been misusing it. The state originally planned to execute the inmates over 11 days, the most in a compressed period since the U.S. Supreme Court reinstated the death penalty 40 years ago.
It is unprecedented that a state has tried to execute this many people in this short a period of time.
But a wave of court challenges all the way up to the U.S. Supreme Court challenged the state's plans. Attorneys for the inmates raised questions about death chamber protocols and the drugs used in executions. There were also protests outside of the governor's mansion, where Asa Hutchinson defended his state's actions.
It's been a 25-year nightmare for the victims that have had to deal with this, and now it's time for that justice to be carried out.
The U.S. Supreme Court voted 5-4 to reject Liddell Lee and the other inmates' appeals. Diane, Eastabrook, Al Jazeera, Washington.